Welcome, today in front of me Realme Narzo 50 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and then scroll down to convenience tool, then click to the screen recording, and here you'll see all the settings what we can just change. To change the screen video screen recording quality, we should tap to video resolution and switch. We can switch the medium to the high, to the low, and also we can set the custom resolution here. So also we have the second way how we can launch the screen recording settings. Just open the notification panel and somewhere here you should find the screen recording icon. After that, just hold for a while on this icon and you'll launch the same settings, and after that you can change the resolution. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.